Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Ron Joshua Manimtim, #1 in Calabarzon in the December 2018 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Ron.
Ayan. Pag sinabing professional ka, ano ka, you are performing in the most excellent, competent, and also with integrity and intelligence. Okay. So, ginagalingan mo parati. Yan. You can be deemed as a professional. Okay. Yan. So, yun. Pare, pag sinabing justness and sincerity, ah, pag just ka and sincere ka, ito, totoo ka lagi sa tao. Yan. Yan ang keywords dyan. Okay? Hmm. You shall remain true to the people at all times. Ayan. And ito, nire-respeto mo yung kanilang mga rights. Di ba, pag sinabing just, ano yung tama. Okay? Pag naman sinabing responsiveness to public, yung madali kang lapitan. Okay? You shall the public officials and employees shall extend prompt and courteous adequate service to the public. Okay? So, um, hindi yung hindi yung pag tinatanong ay sobrang taray pa. So, as public officials, kahit na sobrang kulit ng tao, dapat nakangiti pa rin. Okay, so yun, dahil for sure naman future public officials kayo. Teka, I know you're all pursuing for the PNP. So, yan, dapat ganun. So, yung matataray ba dito? Yun, diba? Yun, you'll need to reduce that pagka you're in service. Okay. Yun. Responsiveness to public. Are. Yo. All heads or other officers or of offices and agencies of the government and of government-owned or controlled corporations shall blank working days from the end of the year. Ayan. Kailan daw ito ginagawa? In performance report ng agency, office, or corporation concerned. Ayan. Is it within 45 days? 35 days? Within 30 days? Or none? Wala ba dito? Okay. Go. May isa na sumagot. Si. Okay. Si. Timer. Hindi ko na ilagay. Si. Si ba? Ba't si? Wait lang. Nasaan na tayo? Dito pa. Ayan. Hindi ko nakita niya sagot. Nakita niyo ba? Ano sagot? Si ba? Ah. Ayan, nakita niya. 45 days. Yan. Bilis na mata nun. Bilis na mata ni sir. Kaya nakita sa sagot. 45 days. Okay. Yan. Bali yung mga array code LA ng RA 6713. Yan. Diyan yung mga, ay, shit. Ba't kay sir lang pala napapunta? Everyone. RA. Okay. Yan. Yan yung source niya na. Yung sa COPSES, Code of Ethics, and ano yan? Ethical Standards. Yan, dyan ko yung nakuha. Dyan nakuha yung mga tanong dito. Are. Ang sagot sa kanina, 45. What is created in order to motivate and inspire public servants to uphold the highest standard of ethics? Yan. So, kapag ka ikaw ay isang magaling na public official, yun, itong body na to, yung sagot dito, siya yung magbibigay sa iyo ng award. Ano yung body na na-create para doon? Is it A, Committee on Outstanding Public Officials and Employees? B, Committee on Awards to Outstanding Public Officials and Employees? C, Committee on Awards and Rewards to Outstanding Public Officials and Employees? And D, Committee on Awards and Rewards to Outstanding and Exceptional Public Officials and Employees? Okay, you may now choose your answer. Meron ko ba? Mamaya, ituturo ko sa inyo yung mnemonic din eh. Okay. CBC. Sino pang may pasagot? Go. Pindot-pindot. Okay, nainom lang ng kape ha. Ako'y antok pa rin ako kanina. Okay, ayan. CBB. C. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, si Kalaw pala. Ay, hi Kalaw. Tropa. Musta? Ano sagot? Ang sagot dito ay, ang sagot dito ay letter B. Okay. Ayan. Hindi ko naman. Ang gigil. Pindot. Yan. Yun nakita yung aking mnemonic. Ang sagot dito ay letter B. Yan. Ayos lang sila. Ito ang sagot. Okay. And para madali nyo maalala, ito. So, para madali maalala, ganito. So, ano yung pinakamaganda mong reward? Yan. Ayan ang sagot. Kaupo. Diga. Kaupo. Kasi diga, ito, nagbibigay dito ng mga awards. Okay. So, ito siya. Ito yung body na naka-create. Kaupo. Committee on Awards to Outstanding Public Officials and Employees. Ayan. Diga? Kaupo. Ikaw po ang pinakamaganda ko reward ngayon. Yeah. Okay. Ayun, marami makatamang sagot. Sa ano din yan? Nasa RA 6713. Sa ganun. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo. Where are you? Dito siya eh. Makita nyo, may divestment din dito. Ang committee. Hindi ko makita. Saan din yan? Okay. Hindi ko lang makita. Okay, let's continue. Next. It is an ability to govern and discipline oneself by means of reason and sound judgment. And it is a virtue that attracts the intellect to choose the most effective means of accomplishing what is morally good and for avoiding what is evil. Okay, what is this? A, fortitude. B, prudence. C, perseverance. D. Temperance. Okay? A. Fortitude. B. Prudence. C. Perseverance. D. Temperance. Go. I'll wait for your answers, ha? Meron mo. B. Isa pa lang. Isa pa lamang. Hmm. Yan. Bob. B-A-B. Go. Answer mo. Ayan. A, B, B. Yes. Okay. So, ang answer dito ay letter B. Prudence. Okay. Prudence. So, ito yung pinaka niya. Palatanda ako sa kanya. Yung having a sound judgment. Yan. Ano itong mga natirang to? Fortitude, perseverance, temperance. Yan. Sinabing fortitude, ito. Firmness of mind. So, yung utak mo, kaya mong magtiis. Yan. Sabi nga, it is a courage to endure without yielding. So meron kang yung katapangan at hindi ka susuko. Yan. Fortitude. Okay? Yung fortitude, maaaring maipakita in 3 ways. Yan. Patience, perseverance, endurance. Well, pag patience, we are calm and composed. So, kumbaga, kahit anong mangyari, kaya mo maghintay. Ayan. Ganyan pag patience. Kahit sobrang tagal na hindi nag-chat si Bebe, yan. Hindi ka, hindi ka tawag yung mapaparo na. Patient ka. Okay. So, si Sir, napaka-patient. Okay. Kaya maghintay kahit kahit ilang buwan, kahit ilang taon pa. Yeah. Basta alam mo tama yung tao. Yan, okay. Alam din ni Sir. Okay, go. Kapag naman perseverance, are, kahit anong hirap na pinagdadaanan mo, tuloy ka pa rin. Okay? Ayan. So, yun. Tuloy ka pa rin. So, ito yung isang mahalaga nating isang mahalagang trait na dapat matutunan natin. So, sobrang difficult ng times ngayon and I think kaya natin mag-persevere. Okay. Tuloy-tuloy lang. O pag naman endurance, kaya mo tumagal. The ability to last. Endurance. Okay. So, yung sagot sa kanina, ito naman, prudence. You're able to make sound judgment. Ba't ganun emoji? Okay, ayan. Pag naman temperance, mapagtimpi. Okay, kaya mong, yan, ability to moderate, mababasan, or possibly, ma-avoid mo pa yung something or isang bagay. Okay. Kaya mong iwasan. Okay. Ayan, kaya bang maging temperate sa paglalaro ng MOBA? Ayan, yun, dapat maano nyo yun. Ma-practice. Okay? Pagiging temperate. Okay. As a law enforcement officer, my fundamental duty is to serve. Who? Sino to? Tinutukoy dito? Is it mankind? Community? World The world or our countrymen? Nasa ano to eh? Nasa law of, sa ethics. Code of ethics ng police. Hindi ako na. Or law enforcement ethics. Okay. B, B, B. Ay, shit, hindi ko na. B, B. So, yan. Wait for the others. Yan. B, community. Oh, tinig pa. Yes, true. So, ang sagot nga dito ay, ayan. My fundamental duty is to serve, yan, the community. So, tama yung kanina. Nasa na to? Law enforcement, law enforcement officer ethics. Code of ethics.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!